Good. What's good with y'all? What's good with y'all? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? How everybody doing out there? How everybody doing out there? It's your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be a trade breakdown. Today's video gonna be a trade breakdown, people. Okay, I know y'all probably might be mad or some because of my intro, but I'm just trying to try some different new forms. So what's good with y'all? How everybody doing? I repeat, it's your boy Harlem, right? And I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be a trade breakdown of how I took a trade. When was it? Thursday. Yeah, how I took a trade on Thursday and it took profit on Friday. Right, people? So this is Tesla, people. This is Tesla Inc. You all know what Tesla is. I don't need to understand, I don't need to break down, and I don't need to talk a lot or to say much about Tesla. But you guys know that Tesla is a tech company, which is also in the top 100 companies in the NAS, right? So today I want to share how I took this trade on Tesla. You guys know that Tesla is part of my trading portfolio. I have it in my investment portfolio, right? So I want to break down how I took a trade on Thursday and it took profit on Friday, right, people? So this is based on how I always take trades. Breakout, fall to break, support, resistance, bull flag, bear flag, candlesticks, rejections, momentum, everything like that. So today we're having Tesla, right? There's no 4 hour, there's no daily, there's no monthly. This is strictly the hourly, right? Let's remember that like Tesla created this zone, or Tesla once came and created this zone, right? Came back again, right, to the very same zone before price did what? Before price impulsively pulled back to the downside. So when price pulled back to the upside, creating the zone again and pushing to the upside, coming back to the very same zone, boom, and pushing to the upside, right? And again, breaking below of that zone and coming back again above of the zone. So why do I have the zone marked out, or why am I using the zone to be bullish? You can tell that every time price traded above the zone, price has turned bullish, or price traded bullish. Every time it traded below the zone, price continued to the downside, right? So now, looking at my current price, looking at why I took a trade, or looking at the reasons into why I had to execute, let's remember that, okay, the price was rejected, right, and pushed to the upside, right? Rejection, pushing to the upside, right? Coming back below, coming back above, reacting again to the very same high, pushing again to the downside, trying to reverse, coming back again, rejecting, and then pushing to the upside, reacting to the very same zone, coming back to the downside. So you can tell that price has even created some sort of resistance, or that those intraday highs. It depends on what you call it. You can say it's a double top, it's a resistance, intraday highs, or your demand, or your supply, whatever that you say it is. I just say this is a intraday resistance and this are intraday highs, right? So when I now saw that price rejected again for the second time, came back again and had some sort of reaction from a bear candle, we had a bullish candle close above, pushing to the upside, coming back again, right? So
Oh, are you still watching the video right now? I'm sorry for the interruption, but like you guys know it that the HSCC and Circle of Traders, they have partnered. What is the HSCC? The HSCC is the Highly Street Crypto Trading, is the Highly Street Crypto Club, which was started and founded by Mr. Rafsay with a 12-year experience in the crypto markets. The HSCC is a arbitrage crypto trading platform which has led into becoming one of the biggest trading platforms in the world. At the HSCC, they are highly committed into building an ecosystem arbitrage trading crypto platform which generates profits for all retail investors around the globe. They have 4 different plans to earn and invest hefty profits from. You don't want to miss this deal. They start with as little as $50 up and until an unlimited funded deal, right? It depends on what you're comfortable with and what you'll be willing to take part from. I'm gonna leave the link on the description. I'm gonna leave the link on my bio, and I'm gonna make sure that Circle of Traders and the HSCC help you out in the crypto markets from beginner up and until to professional all the way. You don't want to miss this great deal. Take part into it and something from it, and let the HSCC and Circle of Traders be there for you in the crypto markets. We're signing out.
When now price came back again, rejecting on this very same candlestick on our New York Open on Thursday, last week Thursday, on the 11th of May, when price came back, or when the stocks opened on Thursday, 13 Southern Africa, price had a big candle close above above our zone, or above those intraday lows. You can call it whatever that you say it is, right? So with price reacting on those very same intraday lows and closing above, all I anticipated is that if this candlestick has rejected and the company's candle rejects again, I would look to be bullish in correlation to what? To price trading above my what? Above my zone, people. To price trading above my zone. And that gonna be it, right? So let's remember that like this is a previous zone, right? This is not a new zone. Price has been tapping and pushing to the upside, breaking below, moving to the downside. So when I now saw that like price is failing to move to the downside, or we're having rejections that are rejecting to be bearish and confirming that we might look to be bullish, that gave me more correlation into saying I'm looking to be bullish, right? And that was it. And that was entirely it, people. That was it. That was it. With my stop below my what? Below my very same zone. With my targets of what? My targets of a clean high, right? Targeting the highs. We're not looking for that deeper TP or the tighter stop loss. We're just looking to do what we always do. 1-2-1, 1-2-2, 1-2-3, and that's it, right? So when you now see how price has reacted when we took a trade, that clearly showed to us that the bullish momentum or the bullish momentum or the bulls are still in charge of the Tesla stocks at that current price, not overall at that current price. So when I now focus on what I focus on, people, because I now know that if I'm trading above a zone and I'm rejecting to trade below that zone, that kind of like gives me confirmation into saying price might be looking for that bullish reversal. Same thing if price is trading below my word, below my resistance, and I can see that price is rejecting to trade above my resistance, that will give me confirmation into saying price might be looking to reverse and be bearish, right? So people, this is how I took this trade. This is why I took this trade. This entirely works on any trading pay. I've tested it for a million times, and I've shared this video on YouTube for quite a long time. I repeat, when price was rejecting to break below my to break below my support, that gave me the first confirmation. The second confirmation was once price rejects the second time and trades above that very same zone with a bullish candle, that will be my entry in confirmation to price looking to continue or to reverse to the upside. And they're gonna be it, people. They're gonna be it. How I took this trade, people, is just not easy. It's not hard. You just have to take the risk. When you see what you're comfortable with, when you find that, okay, now I'm comfortable with taking price, I'm comfortable taking a trade when price rejects more than 3 times, or I'm comfortable taking a trade if it closes bullish above my zone, or I'm comfortable taking a trade if price breaks below that very same zone. That's it. It entirely depends on you. But all I'm trying to emphasize, all I'm trying to push is when you see your zone, when you see a signal, or when you have a confirmed reasoning to take a trade, don't look sideways, or don't look for confirmation into anyone, or don't look for anything or any advice from someone into why you have to take that trade. Just go for it. Accept the risk. When you lose, you lose. When you win, you win. This is a probability game. Price could have reversed on this trade. Price could have went my way. But because I keep on doing what I'm doing every day and constantly, and I'm disciplined when I'm doing it, and I'm patient when I'm doing it, that's where I get the results, and that's where I get what I look for all the time. Without further ado, people, this is your boy Harlem. That's all I got on this video. I'm out.